Because my advocacy is education. Why? Because I am a living legacy of education. Because my parents are believer in education. So kaninyong tanan, mga ginikanan, mga maestra, I take my hats off inyong tanan. For without you, kani mga estudyante din karon, wala ni silang gikaptan na posisyon karon. Without education, walay Mary Ann de los Santos no once upon a time nahimong konsihal, nahimong barangay captain sa Barangay Lahu, and now presently your city councilor in the city of Cebu. Mga kaigsunan, as I told you many times over in my speeches, kung unsa yun ka mahinungdanon ang edukasyon. Unang tungod kay akong produkto ko sa edukasyon, rest assured that I will be giving you my 101% support to all your endeavors in Lahu Elementary School. Because for who we are, what we are, and where we are today, doon na sa edukasyon, doon sa mga kinikanan, doon sa mga